Mani and Lola box for the month of April. So this is the box like this, and it opens up like this, and we have inside. So Mani and Lola is a monthly subscription box for nail products like nail polishes and nail care items, and it is £22.95 a month on a rolling monthly subscription. However, you can get a little bit cheaper if you go for the 3, 6 or 12 month subscription box. Every month you will get a mixture of nail polishes and some nail care items. But this month we have all nail polishes, no nail care items at all, which I was quite surprised at. Okay, so this is the card that we've got, and on the back we have the sneak peeks of what is coming, or what we've received. So April 2019, make the most of the warmer weather, brighter evenings and all new nail trends this spring with our exclusive April 2019 edit. Choose from punchy purples to creamy pastels this season, and enjoy the very best nail polish formulas that enable you to keep your nails looking perfectly polished and undeniably on trend all month long. So that is that. Okay. So the first polish I'm going to show you today is a Cuccio. So there it is. And it is a beautiful sort of like a greyish mauve colour, so a real nice pretty nude for you, and this is in the shade Take Your Breath Away. So that is really pretty. I will show you it on a swatch. So there it is. I have new swatches. Look, 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 look. So that is the swatch, which is really pretty. It's a very beautiful nude, very pretty, and it says recommended retail price for this is £8.95. Embrace your sassy side with this light tone creamy purple as part of Cuccio's brand new 2019 Coquette Spring collection. So it is a current spring collection, so that is really nice. That is one thing I really do enjoy about this box, is that you do get like new polishes that are just out for this season, so that's really nice. If you're passionate about pastels for spring, this is the ideal polish for you. Create a soft, sophisticated and subtle manicure with this beautiful hue, featuring triple pigmentation technology and extended wear formulation. So yeah, I really love this colour. It is a very pretty nude, and definitely perfect for spring. The next nail polish is a Morgan Taylor, and it is this one. And the swatch for this is this colour. So as you can see, it's a very nice sort of like a dusky peach. I think that's really stunning. So this shade is called Up in the Air Heart. Recommended retail price is £11. Perfect your 2019 spring look with this gorgeous muted coral cream by Morgan Taylor. Both elegant and unique, this is the ideal shade to wear during warm evenings spent with family and friends. Enjoy a long-wearing reactive nail lacquer with an ultra rich pigmented formula. So yeah, they're really nice. Morgan Taylor do really nice shades. However, when it comes to me picking a nail polish to wear, for some strange reason I'm never drawn to my Morgan Taylors, even though I think their colours are really pretty, really stunning. It is very rare I will wear a Morgan Taylor nail polish. It just doesn't, I don't know, they just don't call to me as much as other polishes, other brands do. So I really need to start picking them out and wearing them more often. Now the next one is gorgeous and probably my favourite out of the whole box. It is an OPI. And this one is called Samurai Breaks a Nail. And it is like that on the swatch stick. So it is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a purple with a blue flash and pink minute glitters, shimmers in that. Absolutely gorgeous. As I say, it's called Samurai Breaks Nail. Recommended retail price of £13.50. Take pride in wearing this deep bold purple with a luminous shimmer from the best-selling 2019 OPI Tokyo collection. Inspired by the tradition, fashion and the scenery that Tokyo has to offer, bring your manicure to the forefront of spring nail trends with a confident pop of colour. Enjoy OPI's award-winning formula with a pro-wide brush for flawless application. Now, last month's box, we also received a Tokyo collection OPI. So now I have two from that collection, which is really amazing because that never normally happens. So yeah, I am really pleased to add another OPI to my collection. A stunning, beautiful, beautiful colour, and also the second Tokyo collection bottle that I own now. So yeah, I'm really, really pleased with that. So yeah, the only other collections of OPIs that I have multiple like colours from is when I've bought a box, the mini box set. Other than that, I've only ever received one from any collection that I've maybe received in a Mani and Lola box. So I'm really liking that we've got not just one from the latest OPI Tokyo collection, but we've now got a second bottle. So yeah, and both very, very stunning colours. Can't remember what the other one was. Was it green? Can't remember. Okay, so the next bottle is my favourite formula to wear, and it is an Orly. So this is the bottle. I love Orly's formula. They go on so beautifully. They're almost a one coater for me, and also they don't chip too easily either. So this is the swatch. So it's a beautiful, like, beautiful colour. It's going to be really, really pretty. So yeah, really love all these nail polishes. So this is in the shade Seize the Clay. And the recommended retail price for this is £12. Make way for a stunning neutral in a burnt clay tinted rose shade. Oh, I see where the clay comes from now. Ah, okay. Part of Orly's recent The New Neutral collection, this gorgeous polish is the perfect fashion-forward alternative to a classic cream for a spring manicure that is confident and eye-catching. Formulated with UV inhibitors to prevent fading and yellowing, and a 12-free vegan formula. So this is obviously going to be good for stopping UV rays coming onto your nails, which, you know, a lot of skincare and things like that have UV inhibitors now to prevent aging and yellowing and stuff like that. So it's really good that the nail polish industry is starting to go into that as well. And this is also from a new collection this year as well, or maybe last year's collection. I did look it up, but I can't remember if it was this year's collection or last year's, but it's from the new neutral collection. So I will look and put it at the bottom of the screen for you whether it was a this year's collection or last year's collection. But this colour is absolutely stunning. I wouldn't call it a neutral, to be fair, but it is like a dusky rose, and I just think that is an absolutely stunning colour, absolutely beautiful. We'll definitely be wearing this sometime soon. And the final nail polish that we have is a Nails Ink. So when I first saw this in the box, I thought, oh no, I think I've already got that one. But this is actually called Mermaid's Play Suit. And the one I was thinking it looks like was called Ocean's Parade from the Mermaid duo that Nails Inc brought out, I think it was last year. And I've got that one, and I thought this one was the same, but Ocean's Parade has like a bluish tinge, like shimmer to it, whereas this one has more of a pink shimmer to it. I don't know if my camera is going to pick that up, but yeah, so they're very, very similar. I will show you it on the swatch wheel. So there it is. So this is very, very similar to Ocean's Parade. It's also by Nails Inc. It's also very, very similar to Pearl Jammin' by China Glaze. So whether you would need all 3 bottles, I don't think you would, but I own now all 3 bottles. I own Ocean's Parade by Nails Inc. I own Pearl Jammin' by China Glaze, and now I own Mermaid Playsuit by Nails Inc. and blinding you them. And they are all very similar, but let's have a look what it says. So the recommended retail price of this is £15. Feel weightless and carefree like a real mermaid would when your nails are iridescent and as soft as a feather in this dreamy hue by Nails Inc. Laced with a gentle shimmer and created with a non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free and halal certified formula. I've never heard of that before. Halal certified. Wow. Enchant your manicure with inspiration from the ocean throughout the spring season. So yeah, that's a new one. Never heard of halal certified before, but yeah. So yeah, as I say, I do have very similar colours to this in my collection, the polishes that I've mentioned before, but it is a beautiful, stunning colour, so I'm sure I'll get wear out of it at some point. So, and it's mermaid, so of course I love it. Of course I love it, it's mermaid. So those are all 5 polishes that I have. We have the Nails Inc Mermaid Playsuit. We have Orly's Seize the Clay. We have OPI's Samurai Breaks a Nail. I love that name. We have Morgan Taylor's Up in the Air Heart. And we have Cuccio Take Your Breath Away. So those are all the colours. Let me see if I can grab them all like that to show you. So that is all 5 nail polishes that we got this month. No nail care items, which I must say I'm a little bit disappointed. But which of these polishes would I have put aside to have allowed a nail care item to come in? Maybe the Nails Inc, because I have similar colours, but it is mermaid, so I don't really want to put it away. Okay, I'm happy with all 5 polishes. We can just get some more nail care items next month. I can't decide between all 5. So yeah, a very successful month. I'd say my favourites was definitely the Orly and the OPI, but they're quite bold colours and I'm quite a bold nail kind of person. I do love the bolder colours more than the neutrals or the pastels. So yeah, these two ooh, these are looking pretty good together too. Maybe. So yeah, that is my Mani and Lola box for April. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.